back to another episode where I discuss why your eyesight is not getting better. In today's episode, we're going to discuss wearing glasses that are too strong for close-up. So this is probably the most common mistake that I see being made. People don't understand what differential glasses are. So differential glasses are your glasses that you wear for close-up. In general, they're about 1.5 diopters lower than your normalised glasses. So the purpose of differential glasses is to give yourself a blur challenge when you're looking at things close up. So typically you get them prescribed, or you prescribe them for yourself for when you're working on the computer. So you get yourself a little bit of a blur that you can use your active focus to clear up during the day. So this stimulus, day by day, as you're working on your computer, reading, whatever it may be, improves your eyesight. Lots of people think this is, at the beginning, somehow just something convenient that you could do if you wanted to. But it's actually, if you don't do this, the chances of you improving your eyesight are basically zero. You've got to take away all that eye strain that you get from wearing a full prescription by doing close-up work. If, for example, you spent time with your full prescription on and looking at your phone, you will notice that that is quite a stress on your eyes. So when you change away from that and start wearing differential glasses, and then you realize, oh, I've got to use my eyes a little bit here to focus rather than the glasses doing all the focusing for you, it actually feels quite nice. Screen time. After you've done a bit of screen time, say 2 hours, you'll notice how your eyes feel kind of fresher after it, rather than that kind of strained and sometimes a burning sensation you would get when wearing full prescription glasses. So this is probably the most common mistake I see made. So make sure you get this one right. Get your differential glasses prescribed correctly to give yourself a blur challenge for the close-up task that you do most often. For me, that's working at a computer, and for many other people that is too. And another benefit for differential glasses is generally you can use these ones for walking around the house, doing anything in the house. You don't need your full prescription or your normalised prescription to do that. So it can give you a blur challenge while you're doing things. For example, if you're chopping carrots or whatever, it's quite a close distance. You don't need your full prescription for that. So by not wearing the full prescription, you're helping your eyes to get rid of eye strain and give your eyes stimulus to improve. So that's my tip for today. I hope you found it useful. Until the next video, enjoy your eyesight and keep improving.